Hello traders. In this video I will cover my watch list for April 2021. First I will start off with some stocks related to political legislation and infrastructure spending by the current US administration. Then more speculative trades. The stocks I will cover have relatively high range or beta. I trade these as short-term swing trades with defined targets and stops. With gun control measures and gun restrictions being proposed, I see this next stock to post increased earnings. Ironically, gun control usually has the opposite intended effect with US gun manufacturers' profits. Gun control legislation tends to drive up gun sales as gun enthusiasts tend to shop more because more restrictions are put in place. For this reason, my next play is RGR. Sturm Ruger & Company Inc. is one of the nation's leading manufacturers of rugged, reliable firearms for the commercial sporting market. With products made in America, Ruger offers consumers almost 800 variations of more than 40 product lines. I see this as a buy under $68 to $65 with a conservative target of $74. My infrastructure play is ticker symbol X. US Steel is an integrated steel producer. With more than 120 years in the steel industry, US Steel is set to benefit from current infrastructure spending. This stock has a wide range with more recent highs of $43.51. I see this as a buy under $20 to $25 with a target of $40. X is currently holding support around $20. Next is a play involving the global semiconductor shortage. Ticker symbol TSM, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, said Thursday it was planning to invest $100 billion over the next 3 years to meet soaring demand as a global shortage of chips hits the auto and other industries. TSM high-tech chips foundries are some of the world's biggest and most advanced. I see this as a buy under $125 with a target of $148. Another way I have been profiting from the semiconductor shortage is with the triple leverage ETF SOXL. I called out this setup for a high conviction entry in my previous videos. We had the confirmation on the break of this downtrend line. SOXL has been on a runaway gap move to the upside after a brief pullback. Congratulations to all of you that caught this move. I am currently holding a position in several accounts. I will be moving my stop to profits above these gaps or price imbalances. History tends to repeat itself and SOXL will likely pull back to close these levels after testing new highs. If it does this sooner, I will re-enter the position as it closes the price gaps. If it rockets up to new highs, I will build a short position with the inverse ETF SOXS, with these gaps as target zones. We still have the corporate tax threat and inflation fears to drive the stocks back down when this euphoria wears off. Another shorter-term chipmaker stock play is ticker symbol CAN. Canon Inc. provides specialty software. The company develops supercomputing chips for digital blockchain computing equipment, as well as supplies computer software and hardware products. Canon Inc. is based in China. They are set to report fourth quarter earnings on April 12th before market open. I believe this ticker symbol has a high probability of running up since it is regaining sector strength and is starting to move in anticipation of earnings. I see this as a buy under $23 with a target of $31. I will trade this with caution since their earnings have yet to be reported. As you may have seen, the NFT market has received a lot of hype lately. My next ticker symbol I'll be talking about is FNKO. FNKO Inc. is a pop culture consumer company who recently entered into the NFT market by acquiring a majority stake in Tokenhead developer. If the interest holds in this sector, I see trendline support at the $20 area with a target of $24. I will have my stop loss in the $18 area. Remember, this is only my personal opinion. Please do your own due diligence. You can look over these stocks' SEC filings on their websites. I have listed some of them in the description. With that being said, I wish you the best in your trading. That completes this video. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already and select the notifications bell. I will be posting stock charts I am watching monthly. Thanks for watching.